Hello everyone, I am Manuel Romano and I am going to show you how to solve gyro error, compass error, variation, and deviation. First, we have may given tayo na gyro heading na 300 head. And mayroon tayong magnetic heading na 312. And meron tayong gyro bearing na 27 degrees at true bearing na 25 degrees. Para makuha yung gyro error, kailangan natin i-minus yung true bearing tsaka sa gyro bearing. So, gyro bearing is true bearing natin 25 degrees. Tapos gyro bearing natin is 27 degrees. 27 degrees. That is not siya ng 2 degrees west. Kaya naging west kasi compass west, error west. Kaya rin siya naging west. So, ang line natin is 2 degrees. Ang susunod natin ulit is yung true heading natin, which is minus ng gyro heading at ng gyro heading. Gyro heading is 300 degrees minus gyro heading. Ang magiging true heading natin is 300 west. Para na makuha natin yung compass error, kailangan natin i-minus yung true heading at saka yung magnetic heading. True heading natin is 300 degrees. Magnetic heading is 312 degrees. Magiging 2 degrees. So, ang compass error natin is 2 degrees west. Para naman makuha natin yung present variation, kailangan natin nag-assume tayo ng variation na nakita natin sa chart is ito. Para makuha natin yung present variation, kailangan natin minus ang year ng ating nakuhang variation sa chart. Ang taon minus ang present year. Magiging 3. Tapos ita-times natin siya sa anit. Magiging 12 west. Para ma-convert natin siya ng degrees, kailangan siya i-divide sa 60 kasi 1 degrees is equivalent to 1 minute. Kaya naging 60 siya. Yung equivalent niya ay 0.2 west. Tapos i-minus naman natin ito ating 2 degrees 0.5 east. Kailangan natin siya i-convert muna ng point. Kaya magiging 2.5 east. Ang makukuha natin sagot ay 2 degrees and 3 minutes is 2.3. Para makuha naman natin yung deviation natin, yan yung value ng present variation. 2 degrees, 2.3 degrees. Para naman makuha natin yung value ng ating deviation, kailangan natin i-minus yung compass error sa ating present variation, which is the compass error 2 degrees. Tapos yung ating present variation is 2.3 west. Kapag same name, At pag different na minus. So mag-add tayo na ang magiging answer natin is 4 degrees 18 minutes. Yes. Ano lang ang pagkuha ng deviation.